Alright, so this is an update on gold. Still working with the Elliotwave counts, and I'm going to be showing probable counts. So I'm starting from the 3 month time frame, where each candle represents 3 months. So I take this as a 1, 2, and then in the broader scope we have more 1, 2, so I'm 1, 2, and 1, 2. I'm going to go down to the monthly. Just give me a second. Alright, so on the 1 month time frame, there is the possibility of taking this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, or as just a 1, 2, 1, 2. And like I always say, either way, we're expecting a move to the upside. If this is a 3 and this is a 4, then we're expecting a 5. And if this is a 1 and this is a 2, then we're expecting a 3, which means either way we're going up. So zooming in again, let's go down to the weekly. On the weekly, I was able to count this. So I'm taking this as a 1, 2, a 1, 2, another 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 3, 4, and now a 3, a 4, and then we'll have that last 5. So this is my primary count. I have an alternate count. Yes. So on the alternate count, you can see where I said this could be a 2 or a 4. So meaning we could be working in in either the 5 of this pink, or we could be working in the 3 of the green. So whichever one of them it is, we are in corrective mode right now. This is the corrective period, and from my previous videos I've been stating that this is a corrective period. I, as a rule, don't like trading corrections because they can be very messy. You never really know what kind of correction is playing out until it plays out. It's quite difficult to track in real time, so I prefer to uh, leave it until it's done correcting and I can see an impulse setup, be it an impulse, be it a leading diagonal or a normal impulsive or straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the correction, now I'm going to move over to MetaTrader to show you my counts, and I have a trade open right now despite the fact that I said I don't like trading corrections. I have a sell trade somewhere. I'll show you when I get there. But the essence of it is that this correction could have ended and we could be having a reversal, or we're still going much lower. So yeah, let me help switch over to MetaTrader. Alright, so this is MetaTrader, and there are two possibilities. One is that this is a 5-wave move, as you can see it's in the white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it's a 3-wave move of some sort. And then this is another 3-wave move, whether it's a 5. So if the preceding A wave is a 5-wave move, then we're expecting a 3-wave move and then another 5-wave move. But if the preceding wave if the wave A is a 3-wave move and then we have a 3-wave move up, then we're also expecting a 5-wave move down. So this is for either flats or zigzags. But then we shouldn't forget that there's the possibility of this turning out to be a triangle, and triangles are 5 waves in 3s. So there's that possibility. We could have had the 1, 2, 3, while working on the second 1, 2, 3, and then we keep doing that until we reach the last wave of the triangle. So for now, um, I am still expecting a continuation of this yellow count. So I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, and then this 4, and then 5. So that's what I'm working with currently. I've seen other analysts try and sort of put in a leading diagonal here. Don't really like the idea, but we'll have to wait and see how it goes. So if we follow that, then we have, sorry about that. If we follow the leading diagonal theory, then we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So if this is a 5, we have a 3, and then this has to be some sort of 5-wave move. I currently can't count a 5-way move there, so I don't know about that. But what I know is that the leading diagonal theory will be invalidated when we get below this line. And then as for my sell trade, again, this is a correction, so I don't like trading corrections. As for my sell trade, I took it around this level. Stop loss is currently here. If I zoom in, you'll see why my stop loss is at that level, because I'm taking this a 1, 2, maybe a 3, a 4, and a 5. And then we'll do this and then keep going down. But if we're trying to fit in a positive, and that's, sorry for saying positive, a bullish and a bearish scenario, then we should keep in mind that this could actually be a leading diagonal. So we'll be looking for possible 5-way moves to the upside. So we have, maybe this is a 1 and a 2 in a flat. We have a 1, 2, then another 1, 2, and then maybe this is also a 1 and a 2 coming, in development, because you can actually count a 5-way move here in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the push for the bullish scenario is going to be invalidated at this level, which is 4559.77 on my chart. On yours, it's probably going to be different for different brokers. So 4559.877. So yeah, that's it for now. Nothing much. I can't give a definitive um, a definitive conclusion or a definitive opinion on this at the moment, because this leading diagonal is still sketchy. Even if it's a leading diagonal, as I said, we need to be able to count a 5-way move here, and currently I'm unable to do that. Can't count any form of 5-way move in all of this, because a flat has to end in a 5-way move. So I'm leaning more towards the bearish approach. I have a theory that this could be a 1 and then an ABC in the flat, maybe another 1, 2, and then another 1, 2. So there's a series of 1, 2s. There's also the one that this could be a leading diagonal. So this is a 1, 2, another 1, 2. But we'll just have to wait and see. As for the correction, I took this as a flat and an ABC, ABC, and then a 5-way move to the upside. So that's why I then placed a sell trade around these levels. So for my trade, I have my stop loss in place. I might move it to the exact high. I might. Then I'm also counting a. Sorry, hold on. All right. So I'm also counting a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. So we might see a little bit of a retracement and then a continuation to the downside, but I don't know if that's going to happen. It may not be a retracement. We might actually take out this level and close my trade, or I'm prepared for the loss. So for now, we just have to wait and see what happens on Monday. So yeah, that's it for now.